Hello buddy, and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I will be showing you numeric operations in your JavaScript program. So yeah, essentially numeric operations are essentially using just numbers in your programs. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna first off start with a console.log. So it'll log it in the terminal console, and then where we're gonna log is 10. So now I also have autosave on, so you don't have to click Control+S or anything. We're gonna do node test.js, and it's gonna log 10. Perfect. Okay, and now we can get to the operations. So 10 plus 4. Autosave node space test.js, and it logged 10 plus 4. Now we could do 10 minus 4, and then that will be node test.js and 6. Perfect. Now multiplication and division are tricky because there's no like time sign. The X doesn't work. So we have to use this asterisk, which is essentially shift and 8. Now what this will do, now this is multiplication. So node test.js, and it comes up with 40. Perfect. 10 times 4 is 40. And now division, it is the slash. right next to the right shift, the slash. Now, you know what, let me just make this easier. 10 divided by 5, so node test.js, this should come up with 2, and it does. So perfect. So that is essentially the basic numeric operations. So now, of course, we can incorporate our variables. So we could say var num equals 1, var num2 equals 5. We could do console.log. We could do num plus num2, and then of course we could do node test.js, and it comes up with 6. Perfect. So now we can also do operations in the variables. So variable number equals 6 plus 3. And then var number 2 equals 6 times 2. No, actually, instead of this 6, I'm going to put 4. So now, if we do this, it will first calculate 4 plus 3, and then it will add 6 times 2 to the 4 plus 3. So if we do node test.js, it comes up with 19. So let's see, 7 plus 12 is 19. Yep, that is correct. So now, and then we can also do like kind of complicated stuff. So we could do var num3 equals num plus num2, and then we can finish by doing var num4 equals num2 divided by num3. And then after we have this, we can console.log num4, we could go plus 10. And if this is correct, we can do node test.js, and we come up with this number. So this is essentially what this is. So num1 plus num2, so that is 19, and then 12 divided by num3, so 12 divided by 19, and then you get this. Wait, no. Wait, no, you get you get like 0.6 whatever, and then I added 10. So if I take away this 10, it should give us that tiny number. Node test.js, and yeah. So yeah, that's essentially how to do numeric operations in your Discord.js program. So just a quick recap. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did find this video helpful, please leave a like rating down below, and of course, if you like to see this content, subscribe, and of course hit the little bell icon to join the Note Squad and join my Discord, because yeah, it's actually cool if you of course have Discord. Anyway guys, see you in the next one.